Can pet waste contribute to toilet clogs? Yes. Flushing pet litter or non-human animal waste is a common cause of blockages and plumbing problems. Toilet systems are designed for human waste and toilet paper, which break down in water. Pet waste and many types of pet litter do not disintegrate the same way. Clay-based litters swell when wet and can form dense masses that catch hair and fibers, creating a plug that resists flushing. Clumping litters contain binders that solidify and can adhere to pipes, while silica gel crystals and wood pellets also behave poorly in plumbing and can trap solids. Even small amounts of non-human feces can carry materials like undigested bone or fur that snag inside bends and joints of drain lines. Best practice is to bag pet feces in a sturdy disposable bag and place it in the trash, or use municipal organic waste services where available. For litter, scoop into a sealed bag and discard, and consider using flushable labeled products only after confirming local sewer rules and septic system compatibility. If you must dispose of urine-soaked litter, dilute liquids down a sink with running water rather than flushing solids, and routinely run plumber-approved enzyme treatments in systems that accept biological waste to help maintain pipe flow. Common mistakes include assuming anything labeled flushable will behave like toilet paper. Many so-called flushable items and some pet products break apart poorly and cause clogs, so stop flushing them and dispose in the trash. Another issue is flushing small amounts repeatedly, thinking it is harmless. Repeated deposits accumulate and catch hair and fibers, so avoid flushing any pet litter or non-human waste, and clean bowls and areas with trash disposal. A third concern is using a septic system without checking compatibility. Pet waste and certain litters alter bacterial balance and can lead to system failure, so consult a septic professional for approved disposal methods and consider composting options where local rules allow. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work related to plumbing and home maintenance. We also host a discussion community where users share experiences, ask questions, and get practical advice about issues like pet waste and toilets.